Upload external data tutorial. Here's a folder containing data for an example WASP calculation. It contains a flat list of files, including this FCC germanium structure. Let us now compress the files into a zip archive, that we will use to initiate an external upload. Next, we open the Exabyte platform and navigate to the External Uploads page. From here, we open the Upload dialog and fill in the Upload Information form. Pay attention to the job script file and standard output file, as their content will be visible upon completion. Let's select the archive we prepared earlier and submit the form. The upload task will become active, and will shortly finish, turning from orange to green. Next, we find the newly created job inside the external project. Let's open the Projects page and navigate to External. The new job is the last entry. Open the job. It contains the results, properties, and material information extracted from the uploaded data. All job files are now also available on the platform. The input and output for the workflow are extracted too, as we hereby demonstrate. This is how one can upload external data to the Exabyte platform.